In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a front plank with a leg lift. Now, firstly, we're going to be using this resistance band for the leg lift. You don't have to use one, but of course a resistance band is going to make it harder. Now, the whole purpose of this exercise is to get all the benefits of a normal plank. This variation is actually harder than a normal plank because as opposed to having 4 points of contact on the floor, we actually raise one leg up and then we only create 3 points of contact on the floor, meaning the core has to work really hard to stabilize our position. As well as that, because we're doing a leg lift, we also get glutes active during the exercise, and even more so if you're using something like a resistance band. Now, I just want to go through this without the resistance band first, because there's one key and crucial mistake people make during this exercise. So, if I come into my plank position, you can have your hands together or you can have your elbows further apart. Now let's say, for example, I'm about to start the exercise. I'm in my position for my plank. What I don't want to see is the back start to hyperextend. So a lot of the time people will just raise the leg up really high and they'll start to use the lower back to compensate when they're doing the exercise. So the leg lift generally isn't as high as what you think it is. So if you start to feel like you're rounding the lower back, you've gone too high. Now, let's put this resistance band on. Just going to go around both my feet. And I've got the resistance band here on my ankles. Now, once you're all ready to go, plank position. So we want a nice neutral position. We want the back to be completely flat. Hips in line with shoulders. And then from here, onto your tiptoes. Brace the core and glutes. One leg up, straight down. One leg up, big squeeze the glutes, straight down. You'll notice I'm alternating legs as I'm doing the exercise. Feel free to reset your position after each rep. So if you do feel like you're starting to go into back extension or your back's not staying neutral, give yourself a second, reset and go again.